really miss you.
Yeah, chillin' with Nisha and Nard. Chillin' with Nisha and Nard. Nisha and Nard. Nisha and Nard.
Hello YouTube, we are back with another video. We have here our beautiful periodic table.
It is so beautiful.
Let me tell y'all. So we actually bought this from GoodWill, and it says damaged because I'm assuming it once had a frame, but it doesn't anymore. And I paid $2 for this. $2 for this entire, can you see how big this is?
It's pretty big. Like,
It's gigantic. $2 for this entire periodic table at GoodWill. We've had it for a couple months now, and we were planning to paint it in the first place, but then we kind of fell in love with it because we are two giant nerds. But now we're gonna insert a clip here where Bernard was kind of sad that he had to part with his periodic table.
it's so, I'm a nerd. I like science. I like math.
Okay, just a quick overview. So we're gonna be doing like an ombre effect, kind of like our Zgallerie video. So we're gonna just paint the base coat and we'll be back. Covered it in 2 layers that are 2 different color glitters. We're then going to I'm basically just going to give it like 5-10 minutes to let it somewhat soak into the Mod Podge, and then just like our Zgallerie video, we're going to lift it up and let the excess glitter fall off.
1, 2.
Hold on, baby.